So this is our Ninja 300 here, and it's in such a state of disassembly I have it gently laid on the floor. And luckily we just finished our repair manual, which I will be using to reassemble it. As you can see, the entire engine is in the box. We just saw the frame on the floor. Here's a shelf full of war parts, and the rest are in these nice bins and up here. So I'll throw a link in the video at the bottom. Sign up, you get tech support, you can ask us questions, and you can use the manual to do anything from a full reassembly or repair way down in like this, or just periodic maintenance. So I hope you guys enjoyed if you do sign up, and feel free to let me know if you need any help or have any questions. Thanks.